All right, everybody. Wanted to get started today with a massive security flaw in OS 10 here, or macOS, the Macintosh operating system that Apple puts out on all their computers. Now, this is big, just huge, and it's in their newest one. I'm sure a patch will be released fairly quickly. I would estimate potentially by the end of this week even. But that being said, this is something you need to do. There's a workaround to fix this, and if you own a Mac, you need to do this right away, no questions. Because if you don't, somebody can relatively easily gain access to your computer, do all sorts of awful things. They'll have full access, and you wouldn't even know about it. So let's go ahead and get started to show you how to block this. So all I have to do is first go to System Preferences, my little area where I've got all these options here. So I'll launch my Launchpad here, go to System Preferences. And then, let me pull this to the center of the screen. I've got to go to Users and Groups, and I've got to go ahead and make some changes. So first thing I need to do is click on this lock so I can make changes. It'll ask me for my password, and this is the same password you use to log into your computer. So there you are. Now you notice that lock is off, so that way I can go ahead and make some changes. Now I need to click the Login options. And then I need to go ahead and click Join here at the bottom of the screen. And then I need to select Open Directory Utility. So I've got this up. Now, what I need to go ahead and do is click on this lock again to go ahead and do my changes. In this case, I've got Touch ID on my Mac, so I'm going to do that. Otherwise, it'll prompt you for the password again. And then at the top of the menu is where we're looking at. So right up here at the top with Edit, and we want to go ahead and click Enable Root User. And then it'll ask me to enter a password. Very important at this step that you do enter a password. Now you're going to need to remember this, so you might have to put it in your password manager because chances are you'll want to reverse these steps once the patch is released. But let's go ahead and set a password. Ideally, you want to set it for something different than the computer login password you have. So I'm going to go ahead and set mine right here and then click OK. And then from there, all I have to do is go ahead and close out, and I am done. That's it. So now my Mac's protected from this exploit. I don't have to worry about somebody getting in there. Again, take these steps if you've got a Mac. I'm Chris Michael at Parkway Tech. This is a big deal with Mac, something we almost never see. Don't know why Apple seems to be dropping the ball a little bit more lately. It's a tad bit concerning, but something you've got to take care of here if you've got a Mac computer. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be protected, at least until Apple puts out a patch. Thank you guys. Hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will chat with you again soon.